in the sense, from all people who have taught you, I've got such a good feedback about the participants and their dynamism to interact. So there is this thought that goes in my mind that I think all of you are very serious while you apply for this course or various modules that you attended, because not all faculty without being asked turns around and gives this kind of feedback to me, even if I have not asked for it in the first place. I not start saying, so how were the students? Did they behave well? Because you are a PG course student, you are supposed to have certain level of behavioral decorum maintenance. I not ask all those questions, but I think all of them, especially people like Sonu, who has had many years of work in the media industry now, right? Someone like Devdutt, who interacted only for 2 sessions. So he's like the Bollywood honcho. He was in my time was known as Bollywood Potness. So his name was not Devdutt, Bollywood Potness. And as you've seen over the years, over the entire modules that we spaced out, almost all have been taught by senior Michaels. So I look forward to you also 5 years from now, try contributing back to the program, right? Because the kind of involvement and authority with which people come and teach, I can expect it only from an alumni. Otherwise, I have had nightmares in the online program with industry people who are not alumni calling me or SMSing me at 12:30 in the night and saying that I have a meeting, I cannot take tomorrow's class. And of course, this is like my brainchild and my baby, so I will anyway be the filler. Wherever required, I'll come. But how many times you can do that, and it's not healthy to do that. So that's when I switched on to talking more to alumni for the interaction. In terms of the number of people and the type of people who have taught you, this is, I think, the first time we have had such a huge diversity. First time we had the PR Association of India getting involved and taking your last 4 sessions on PR. So we have had a wonderful diversity in terms of faculty. And in order to give you a better idea, I will mail you a fact sheet of the entire year, how it unfolded, the kind of modules that you have gone through, and the number and type of people you have interacted with. Right? And there are certain things in life we start appreciating only after it's over. So being on the other side of the table, I think this is normal to do. If I was also on the other side of the table, I would have taken every module as it comes and then maybe not made a sense of the whole of it. The whole of it makes sense only when it's over. So when you realize the kind of, the quality of interactions that you have had, I think it's a very fortunate place to be in, right? And like I say, in all my testimonials we write every year for the graduating batch, I start saying that it's not important how talented you are. It's not important how many medals you are going to get. I think the most important thing is be a good human being. Only then your talent gets appreciated. So you may be like the gold medalist, but if you have too much of an attitude or ego in your head, no one is going to even look at you. So be a good human being, have a heart of gold, try seeing around and thinking what are the minimum things you can do for others to make this place a little better. Right? So start from being a good human being, and as I say in all my, I think last session Karthik is the witness there, in all last sessions of online which end actually through an online class, not like this is the first time I am interacting before giving a certificate, is that the course ends, but I think the relationship is now starting. So come back anytime. Micah is home and I am your family. Anytime. I am like 360 degrees available, So I am just a ping away. So doesn't matter, welcome. I know. But I have a full right to pull your leg at any point in time. So I will. So please come back wherever you feel we might be of some help. Right? We are there. Yeah? So I am in touch with all the earlier 5 batches of online program like I am talking to you today. So I think that is one of the, materialistic assets that we have in our head, relationships. All of the things are frugal, they come and go. So new saris come and go, dresses come and go, bags come and go. But I think one thing which is intact in place is relationships. If we can keep a good hold on that, and I think we are the fortunate generation to have technology and media in the fortunate space. So we are in a very, very conveniently, space domain where keeping in touch may mean just saying a good morning on a WhatsApp message or a BBM ping or just an email, so it's not so tough. So please keep in touch, contribute back, right? Keep sharing your learnings in your job lives which happen on a case study basis, right? And keep coming back after 5 years, maybe Zeresh with his, wild hairstyle is teaching in my course, right? Some MTV case study and some media strategy. So keep doing that. Yeah, we appreciate that. Okay. So finally, what we have been waiting for. Can we have? Can you say the names? Abhimanyu.